Navigating safety. Discover fall protection solutions for Betco steel roofing panels.
Nylon tips. So you'll see SSRA1 on the website and you'll see SSRA1 nylon. The only difference is the set screws that are used. And we do have kits that include both set screws, but the cup tip, the standard SSRA1 cup tip, is intended for 22 gauge steel. That's going to torque to 90 inch-pounds. And the SSRA1 using the nylon tips is designated for 24 gauge steel, and that's going to torque between 180 to 200 inch-pounds. Now, these are great for single worker tie-offs. However, the D-ring on top is removable. And the reason for that is we have adapter plates that expand the functionality of these anchors. So if you need to run 10-foot walkboards, you can remove the D-ring of the SSRA1, mount an SSRA2 Roof Jack Adapter on top, and you can run 10-foot walkboards. These roof jack adapters have adjustable height feet on the side for different height seams, and then the red roof jack adjusts for different roof pitch. So if you're on a roof and you need maximum worker mobility, we recommend adding the SSRA3 Anchor Plate on top of 2 SSRA1 anchors. And if you have that assembly at each end of a horizontal lifeline, you can run a 100-foot horizontal lifeline temporarily on a standing seam roof with no penetrations. And for that, the SSRA3 is a very capable product. It's heavy duty, and the grooves on top allow the SSRA1 to adjust for different panel widths. So from 12 to 24 inches, and we're going to fit about 95% of today's standing seam panels. This gives you the ability to run the temporary horizontal lifeline. For permanent horizontal lifelines, we do offer a kit from Super Anchor that's 120 feet. It includes the end posts, intermediate posts, 120 feet of galvanized steel cable, and that can be permanently mounted on standing seam roofs. That's available on our website as well. Now, an alternative product is the Ridge Pro. So the Ridge Pro mounts on the end of a 16-foot pole. It's intended for 612 to 1212 pitch roofs. So a worker would climb the ladder with the Ridge Pro, use the pole to run it up the roof, flip it 180 degrees, and that drops over the peak. And when it goes up the roof, it brings a vertical lifeline with it. So as soon as the worker steps off the ladder onto the roof, he's already 100% tied off to do the repair or the inspection or install other fall protection anchors for the rest of the crew. And then he's also tied off until he is safely back on the ladder and he can release the hook from the ladder and slowly and safely bring that back down the roof to the ground.